Dear students, in this video, we shall see about the square roots. First of all, we begin with some perfect square numbers. We know that 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100 are perfect square numbers. 4 is equal to 2 square, 9 is equal to 3 squared, 16 is equal to 4 squared, 25 is equal to 5 squared, etc. Now consider 4. 4 is equal to 2 square. Means 4 is the square of the number 2. If 4 is the square of 2, we can say that 2 is the square root of 4. Consider the number 9. 9 is equal to 3 squared. Means 9 is the square of the number 3. If 9 is the square of 3, we say that 3 is the square root of 9. Consider 16. 16 is the square of 4. If 16 is the square of 4, we say that 4 is the square root of 16. Similarly, 5 is the square root of 25. 6 is the square root of 36. 9 is the square root of 81. 10 is the square root of 100. So we can say that the square root of a number x is that number which when multiplied by itself gives x as the product. We denote the square root of a number x by root x. Therefore, square root of 4 is equal to 2. Square root of 9 is equal to 3. Square root of 16 is equal to 4, etc. How can we find the square root of a number? We can find square root of a number by prime factorization method or long division method. Here, I am going to explain how to find square root by prime factorization method. In the previous videos, you have studied that a perfect square number is always expressible as the product of pairs of equal factors. So, to find the square root by prime factorization, we follow the following steps. Step 1. First of all, find all the prime factors of the given number. Step 2. Then, make groups of 2 identical factors. Step 3. Select one factor from each group and multiply them. These are the steps we follow to find the square root by prime factorization method. Now let's see how it happens. Now let's see some examples. Example number 1. Find the square root of 324. First of all, we find all the prime factors of 324. 324 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Step 2. Now, make groups of 2 identical factors. So 2 into 2 form one pair, 3 into 3 form another pair, 3 into 3 form the third pair. Now next step. Select one factor from each group and multiply. That is, square root of 324 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 is equal to 18. So we can say that square root of 324 is equal to 18. Example number 2. Find the square root of 1764. By prime factorization, we get 1764 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Here also we made the groups. 2 into 2 form one group, 3 into 3 form another pair, 7 into 7 form another pair. Now we select one factor from each group and multiply. So we will take 1, 2 from first group, 1, 3 from second group, 1, 7 from third group. Therefore, square root of 1764 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. That is equal to 42. Example number 3. Find the smallest number by which 396 must be multiplied so that the product becomes a perfect square. Here also we find prime factors of 396. 396 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. Make groups of identical factors. 2 into 2, one group. 3 into 3 is another group. Here we have only one 11. So, to make a pair, one more 11 is required. So, the given number should be multiplied by 11 to make the product a perfect square. Example number 4. Find the least square number divisible by each one of 8, 9 and 10. We know that the least number divisible by each one of 8, 9 and 10 is their LCM. So we find LCM of 8, 9 and 10. LCM of 8, 9 and 10 is 360. Now you look at the question. What is the question? Find the least square number. Now you look at 360. 360 is not a perfect square. So we will find a perfect square. To find a perfect square, first of all we do the prime factorization. So 360 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Make the groups of identical factors. 2 into 2, one group. 3 into 3 is another group. We can see 2 and 5 do not occur in pairs. Means we require one more 2 and one more 5. To make it a perfect square, it must be multiplied by 2 into 5. That is 10. So the required perfect square is 360 into 10 is equal to 3600. I hope it is clear to you.